Oh, all right. All right, bag work again. It's been a while since I've done the bag work. Sometimes during the winter you take it off, but winter doesn't want to go away in New England, so I gotta get going. So this is the 220 bag. As you saw, throwing it up on my shoulder. Some of them are a little uglier than others as far as owning it. I just want to go through the work of getting that up there. I reduced my time. I was going to see how many I can do. My goal is 10 in 90 seconds. I got 6, 5 to go back and look. Either 5 or 6. But anyways, I've reduced the time to 1 minute, so taking off 30 seconds. So make it more intense. And then as you saw there, when I went for the lift, the second lift, I was just trying to burn out the legs and the hips. I didn't really have enough power to get it up on my shoulder. So that was the goal. So the goal, 10 of these, 220 bag in a minute. Okay, when I can do that, I will. If I can do it safely, like I said in my other video, without destroying my body, goal is still to get strong. Don't get me wrong on that video. I'm still not trying to avoid getting strong. I'm just not doing it at the expense of ruining other parts of my life. Not doing it to try to be a fat guy doing it, thinking that I need to be heavier to do it. Okay? Get out of the mentality of thinking I gotta gain 20 pounds of fat in order to put 1 pound on whatever it is you're lifting, or add a few reps or something. What's the point, you know? So my thinking is, why not go the other way and think the other way? Let's see how lean we can get. How Bruce Lee lean, you know, crackhead lean we can get and still be strong. All right, and still be strong. Okay, while you're dieting, you're probably gonna feel a little weak, but I'm saying once you're there, you know, once you're just lean, try to be as strong as you can. Why not? Why not? Who says fat needs to be present? Okay, being a heavier body weight doesn't always mean being stronger. It's one thing I used to think that. I really did. And I do think that there is some truth to it when it comes to momentum-based movements. Some truth to that. When I say, obviously pulling a bus, pushing something, you know, using some of your body weight, it does help. But that's not strength, that's just having mass to move mass. Okay, and if you're in the strongman sports, deadlifting, powerlifting, then maybe, but most of us are not. So it's like, why do you need all that mass? What is it doing for you? Is it helping you be better outside of the gym? You know, if you got to get a wheelchair to come up to the squat rack in order to squat 800 pounds and then get back in your wheelchair because that's all you can do, what quality of life is that, you know? So, anyways, a little bit of a rant, but 220, 5 times, maybe 6, I don't know, I got to go back, but we're going to go with 5, and then we're going to get up to 10 with this in the 60 seconds. So I'm proud of that. It's a good lift. Thanks for watching. Strength Equals. See you next time.